Again to another new video. So it's your girl AMIMO'S. Today we're back again with another chapati video. I've read the comments on the other chapati video and I'm really laughing at those comments. Guys, bila mafuta chapati yako si chapati. Mafuta inafanya chapati inakuwa soft. So if you want to make good chapati, put oil, You put oil so that the chapati can be good. So this one is what nimekanda. I don't want to make this video, but I just say let me just go ahead and make this video. So nimekanda hii already ready, and you can see mafuta lazima ikuwe kwa chapati yako, otherwise huwezi kuwa na chapati soft. So let's go and start this video, and I hope you're gonna like this video. You can recommend it to someone else, and also don't forget to comment, guys. I hope this video itakuwa na mafuta nyingi. So let's get started. We're gonna start by removing this paper from the chapati, from the chapati but hii mkando. So tunaanza kwa kuitoa. This one you can throw it away, doesn't matter. Alafu ndio hii mkando yetu. Usikande kitu ni ngumu sana. So hakuna nini inatoka hapa, hakuna unga. I'm gonna use Swahili because those who are cooking chapati are Kenyans or East Africans. So we're gonna start by cutting some small pieces like this. You don't need big chapati. Just gonna need small ones. Like hii size iko sawa kabisa. Usipike tena vitu kubwa. So una make sure umekunja hivi. And then unakata tena hapa. Tena wengine waseme iko oily, yaki poleni mkisema iko oily. I think hii ni bigger than the other one. Let's cut it small. Like you just do like this, unaweka hapo kando. I don't cook like the other people who normally spread oil and then they start rolling. I don't do that. If you want layered chapati, you have to follow this step. So you gotta do like this. So unaona venye iko, hakuna maunga, hakuna iko so soft, very soft. This is supposed to do it. Like so, you continue like that until you finish. Unaona? You just continue like that until you finish. Guys, you're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 chapatis. So you're gonna start by this one. You're gonna put some small unga. Let me open it. You're gonna put some small unga. You flatten it. Maftuna is also learning to cook chapati. Maftuna learned
Yours is too big.
Yeah, because you have to make it big. So you're gonna make it like this, and then like this. And I'm not a fan of kuweka chapati kiwa kubwa alafu napaka mafuta unaziroll. Ikuangi na layers. So like that, it can be shapeless right now, but later it has to be good. So you're gonna put some mafuta, and then you're making a chapati and not disturb your pizza, yeah? So you're gonna do like this, and then to form those layers, it's very important to make like these small lines in the middle, not so deep, just on top. You need to weke my lines kadhaa hivi, and then unakuja una roll as you widen it. Ndio chapati ive vizuri sana kuroll baadaye. So and then you take it like this, unafunga, you close it, and then you fold it again. And guys, when you do like this, you're gonna have soft chapati. Mafuta kuleni chapati na mafuta yenu mtapanguza na serviette. It's just okay. When you do like this, you see, unaweka hapo kando. You take the second one, you put some flour also. Unaweka flour, alafu unakuja tena unaifungua. Nimewaambia at this point it has to be shapeless. Bora umepaka mafuta vizuri, hiyo ndio kitu ya maana. But si mafuta nyingi pia, bora unaenda kupaka kwa mafuta. Bila nashangaa vile mlikuwa mnaniambia chapati zangu zilikuwa zina fry, My oil was just okay. The other video. So again the same process. Alafu una supply mafuta kila mahali. Una make sure mafuta iko kila mahali like this. Alafu unafanya the same So guys, I'm gonna be doing this with the other chapatis, but the main important thing ni kuweka hiyo line, alafu una spreadisha ukifungua, like you open it. If there's somebody who doesn't understand English in my video, check the other video. At least that one I spoke English. I'm gonna mix here Swahili because most of the people who are watching this video are East Africans. So this one also you do the same thing, unaweka hivyo. Alafu guys, once umefanya hivyo, you make sure you take a clean towel, kitchen towel, and then unazifunga ndo zisikue hard. So unachukua the third one, as you continue tena na unga hivyo, and then you continue the whole process. Yeah, see you later when you're done doing this. So guys, this is the last chapati. So tunafanya hapa vlog tukiwa live. So kannst du die andere Sachen noch mal erinnern, wie wir gemacht haben, oder hast du vergessen mit Chapati? So, also du musst jetzt einfach ein bisschen Öl hier, also dann nimmst du dann so. So you guys are gonna take this one again like this, aber nicht so viel Mehl, ja? So, alafu you make up and down, dann nochmal up and down. So guys, mnaona hivyo unafanya ndio itokeleze straight. Before nilikuwa naambia it doesn't matter to make it straight ukipaka mafuta, but right now lazima ufanye ikuwe straight hivyo. Like unaenda juu chini and then you turn the other side mpaka ikuwe na shape mzuri. Anyway, me I'm not a good circle maker, but at least lazima nitengeneze niko circle. So unakuja unageuza, una make sure at least kuna ka flour kidogo, si nyingi sana juu chapati itakuwa white. Oh, sorry, I just so nakuja nafanya hivi, naendelea nakuja ich bin ein bisschen langsam, ja, weil ich muss die Leute zeigen.
Ja, genau.
Ja.
Das ist für mich gut.
So. And then, oh, ich habe vergessen diese Pfanne, ist aber sauber, gell? Diese andere Pfanne, gell?
Ja.
So guys, hivyo then tufanye tena kidogo to make sure iko round, iko oval. Hapa chini pia tufanye chini kidogo tuweke ikuwe circle. So tufanye kubwa sana ikose kufutoshea kwa fan huu, kwa nini, kwa pot ya kwa pan. So das Glück gebracht. Guck mal, jetzt kommen viele Likes. Ich habe gesagt, die sollen uns eine Geschenk schicken. Ich habe gesagt, heute wir wollen nicht so viel reden, wir wollen nur Geschenk haben, ja? Ja. So, okay. Guys, this is the first one tumeshaekelea. You're gonna give it some few minutes. You even have to geuza on the other side. So alafu tunaekelea on the other side. Let me show you. Let me take a spoon. Tuma maua hata kidogo. Nitumie hata maua. So guys, don't have to let it burn. Unafanya tu kidogo. Alafu unatoa. And then you remove it and put the next one. Yeah. Good. We're gonna take our chapati, like you see, it's not burnt, and we put it inside. Alafu tunaweka mafuta juu. Put some oil. I'm gonna reduce the heat. And then you put it like that. And then you turn it. When you finish it, let it cook. You make sure it doesn't burn, so you have to reduce your heat a little bit. For those using jiko, be very fast on turning. So almost. So halten, damit es nicht der Pfanne runterfällt. So. Good, and then you remove it, and then you put mafuta on this other side. For those saying you need mafuta, or even if you complain mafuta is too much, you need mafuta for your chapati. People who are complaining, I don't understand them. You need mafuta. You need oil for chapati. So, cook it nochmal, dann weiter. Oh, jetzt gone with the food. Das mitgenommen. So, dann gucke ich nochmal. Noch nicht, lass ein bisschen kochen. You let it to cook a little bit. So guys, I was going live but the phone went off. That means I did not charge it yesterday while I was sleeping. So right now we're gonna remove this one away, and then you turn it like this. Unaweka hivi, and then unapeleka peleka, and then the other side. Now make sure in a turn, and then you do the other side also. Una turn hivi. Now make sure umeturn. Already ishaanza kuvunjika. And then you take it back like that. And it's now ready. So we're gonna be putting it here. Make sure you have it well secure so that the chapati, they don't dry very quickly. So good. Gotta put the next one, and that's how you continue with cooking your chapati. So unaweka mafuta, and then you take it back there. Then you make sure hii inakupeleka. So guys, this is how you do until you finish cooking them. So I'll show you the outcome as we continue cooking the dengu. We're also going to be cooking the dengu. We have it here. We have the green grams. I'm also going to cook this one with my way, the way I normally cook it. So this is what we have cooked, and this is our pojo. I'm gonna just serve it here. This is our pojo, our green grams. So, and I'm gonna close it. We also have rice here. Hey, today's celebration. We have some rice. I'm gonna add some rice also. Mimi napenda mchele, so lazima nikule. So good. And then we have chapati. So chapati is also here. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.